Hey guys, this is Henry here again. Guys, if you are poor in this present dispensation, it is your fault. It is absolutely your fault. You see, you can't be in this present dispensation when we have cryptocurrency investment, cryptocurrency trading, forex trading, and so on and so forth. We have affiliate marketing, drop shipping, and you still complain of being broke. You still complain of being poor. I don't understand. And you have a smartphone. I don't understand, guys. Now, I've been trading in the forex market for 3 to 4 years now. And I'm gonna tell you the truth, guys. Ever since I started trading in the forex market, God bless the person who introduced me to forex. Ever since I started trading in the forex market, my life has been on an upward and forward journey financially. I've never begged, I've never borrowed. So, guys, I know what I'm talking about. Look at what I'm making just now, $377. This is just 8:17 p.m. Nigerian time. Now, a lot of people know Nigerians as beggars, scammers, and everything. But thanks to God for the internet, thanks to God for Forex and everything. Not everybody you see driving the best cars are into scam. Most of us trade in the Forex market. And I'm a living witness. Guys, this is what I'm making. Oh, $410 right now as we speak. Now, do you expect somebody like me to beg? Do you expect somebody like me to borrow? It's not possible, guys. Now, let me show you. This is not just the trade I've made today. Let me show you my history. This is my history. These are trades I've made today. These are trades I've made today, guys. So, guys, I have three Telegram groups. I also have a VIP group though. But I have three Telegram groups where I send daily signals. You can join these groups. Join this group. These are my free groups: Spirit FX Signal, Spirit FX Crypto Course. I send daily signals. Let me show you. So you don't. These are today's signals, and these are screenshots from students or from members rather. Look at everything you see: blue, 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 blue. As you can see, Spirit FX at Spirit I am best forex scalper in the world, no doubt. This is one of the members talking about me. So you see, everything has been awesome, guys. Look at these are. Oh, Oga Henry, you are the best, sir. May God bless you. As you can see, these are remarks from members. I'm going to place the link to my Telegram groups. You can join if you